Today we're checking out the RedRock TC3 HD Rocker Steps in textured black for the 2010 to 2024 Toyota 4Runners, but excluding the Limited, the Nightshade, the TRD Sport, and the 2010 to 2013 SR5s. These rocker steps are a great option for 4Runner owners who want to combine aggressive off-road styling with solid side protection and a convenient step into their cab. The standout feature of these rocker steps is their dual-purpose design, offering both rugged step for easier cabin access and strong protection against those trail hazards. Whether you're climbing into your lifted 4Runner or navigating a rocky trail, these steps provide a sturdy and reliable foothold along with added body armor for lower rocker panels. The TC3 design features a wide, angular step area with integrated raised tread sections that offer excellent grip even when there are wet or muddy conditions. These make them ideal for daily driving and off-road use, providing dependable traction and a safe entry point for both front and rear passengers. These rocker steps also extend slightly outward from the body, creating a buffer against obstacles like rocks, stumps, or any debris that can cause damage during trail runs. These are going to be especially useful for off-roaders who want protection without committing to full-length rock sliders and bulky armor systems. Another practical feature is their compatibility with most mud flaps and splash guards, so you don't have to worry about losing existing accessories when you're putting these on the 4Runner. These steps also maintain decent ground clearance, making them a good match for lifted setups or those of you running oversized tires. You need good access to the cab, but you don't want to compromise on any of that ground clearance. These are built from heavy-duty steel, and the rocker steps are engineered to withstand serious punishment. The fully welded one-piece design ensures structural integrity while eliminating those weak points. They're finished in a texture black powder coat finish that not only adds to a tactical, off-road ready look, but also resists corrosion, chips, and UV exposure for long-term durability in harsh environments, and it keeps them looking good for years to come. As far as pricing goes, these rocker steps are coming in right in that low $300 price range. So for 4Runner owners looking to blend accessibility, trail protection, and rugged style, this is a well-balanced investment that delivers on all of those fronts. Installation is very straightforward, so we're giving this one just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it'll take you about 2 hours of your time to get this installed. These steps are designed to bolt directly into the existing factory mounting points to simplify the process. So let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet and a 13mm socket. What's up guys? Today we're installing side steps on our 4Runner, so let's get started. So the first thing I've done is laid out all of my mounting brackets and hardware. Now each of these brackets is stamped. We're on the driver side here, so we've got DF, DC, and DR for driver front, center, and rear. And then we're using our bolts with lock washer and flat washer, and we're gonna put those into the threaded holes in our underbody. So now I've got my driver side front bracket here. I'm gonna raise it up to these 2 threaded holes in the body and thread in our new bolts. And then grab a 13mm socket and tighten that down. And now repeat that same process for your center and rear bracket. So now we're gonna grab our side step and raise it up, lay it onto our brackets, and then we have 2 of our combo bolts on each bracket that are gonna be going through the back and up from the bottom into the riv nuts in our side step. So now just take your combo bolts and thread them into those riv nuts. And then thread in your combo bolts on your other 2 brackets, and then you can take a 13mm socket to tighten them down. Now I already threaded them in on the other 2, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them now. Do the same on the other 2 brackets, and then you can repeat the whole process for the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the RedRock TC3 HD Rocker Steps in textured black for your 2010 to 24 4Runner, excluding Limited, Nightshade, TRD Sport, and the 2010 to 13 SR5. Thank you for watching, and for all things 4Runner, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.